Gavin, thanks very much and good evening. It has been a lovely day across parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England with very few showers. The showers, though, have been quite troublesome across the eastern side of England and they'll keep falling for the next few hours, but thereafter they should fade. There'll be some sunshine to end the day for many, which means a promising start to the weekend as well for many of us. Let me just highlight where those showers have been falling across parts of East Anglia, the East Midlands, down towards Kent and Essex. And they will keep going, as I mentioned, for the next couple of hours before starting to fade away. Just the odd one elsewhere, but it's essentially a cool but bright evening to end the day. Temperatures will fall away quite quickly with the length of the nights still being quite long, despite having, of course, moved into British summertime now. Some decent weather, though, to end the day across Scotland and Northern Ireland as it's been for much of the day. The lighter winds here, more sunshine today, a real change from what's happened so far this week, and it should last tomorrow for many of us. But the showers, as I say, they do fade as we go through the evening and overnight, and under the clear skies with light winds, still relatively long nights. Well, you guessed it, it's going to be cold. A touch of ground frost in many areas. Most of the towns and cities stay above freezing, but there'll be a few localities out in the countryside where it gets down to freezing. But notice, you may have noticed the rain knocking on the door of the Western Isles. That's this next weather system starting to squeeze the high pressure that's giving the fine weather out the way. But it looks as if most of us will have one fine day this weekend. It looks like it'll be Saturday, sunny Saturday. A little bit of mist and fog as well to clear first thing, which could hang around as well through the Bristol Channel coasts of South Wales, North Devon and Cornwall. And as the day progresses, we pick up more cloud in the north and west. So the best of the strong sunshine will continue to be across southern and eastern areas, and it'll feel pleasantly warm. Temperatures 13 or 14 degrees. Remember the lighter winds than today, so very different, but the rain does start to move in to the north and the west. Certainly so through Saturday night and into Sunday, so waking up to fairly cloudy skies and some wet and windy conditions across Scotland, Northern Ireland, the northwest of England on Sunday. Still a touch of ground frost in the far southeast, a little bit of mist, but that will lift, actually looking like a fine and dry start to the day, and it should hang on in the southeast corner, while elsewhere you can see the rain is setting in. So for the London Marathon, that's good news, of course, I should imagine, for spectators and runners. Not much rain to contend with, just increasing clouds and a cold, cold start. So let's sum that up, that we've got some chilly nights this weekend, we've got some sunshine on Saturday, but come Sunday it looks a little soggy.